Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best big dog nail clippers is probably one of the most essential grooming tools for any large breed owner, ensuring your furry friend's paws stay healthy and preventing potential discomfort or injury caused by overgrown nails. Choosing the right clippers can make a significant difference in the grooming experience, turning a potentially stressful task into a smooth and manageable one for both you and your canine companion. We'll dive deep into what makes a great set of clippers for those bigger paws. Number 5. GONICC Dog and Cat Pets Nail Clippers. These clippers are recommended by vets and groomers for fast, safe, and precise trimming. They are ideal for at-home daily grooming for medium and large dogs. Featuring ultra-sharp, heavy-duty stainless steel blades, they provide clean cuts with just one snip. This ensures long-lasting sharpness and protects paw health by preventing nail splitting. An integrated safety guard prevents overcutting and protects the sensitive quick. This makes trimming worry-free and safe, even for beginners. A mini nail file is conveniently hidden in the handle. You can use it to instantly smooth rough edges after trimming, leaving paws neat and comfortable. The ergonomic, non-slip comfort handles offer a stable grip and reduce hand fatigue. This ensures a stress-free trimming experience without accidental slips. What we like? This one is recommended by professionals for its precision. It features ultra-sharp blades and a safety guard to prevent overcutting. If you are a beginner or have a large or medium dog and want a safe, precise trim, you should consider this. What people say. The nail clippers are sharp and cut through thick nails easily. The built-in safety guard prevents overcutting and accidental injury. Comes with a nail file to smooth rough edges after clipping. Number 4. YABIFE Super Quiet Dog Nail Grinder and Clippers Kit. Experience a calmer grooming routine with our super quiet pet nail grinder. Its low vibration and sound, under 30 dB, ensure a relaxed trimming experience for your pet. 2 built-in LED lights illuminate your pet's nails, allowing for precise trimming and greater confidence. This feature is especially helpful for beginners and darker nails. Start with the included clippers to remove excess length, then use the grinder to smooth rough edges. This two-step process results in cleaner, safer nails for your pet. With 3 adjustable speeds up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, you can customize the power for any pet size. Choose a lower speed for sensitive pets or higher speeds for a quicker trim. This all-in-one kit includes the grinder, clippers, and a safety guard. It's USB-C rechargeable, offering over 12 hours of use on a single 2-hour charge. Enjoy the convenience of cordless grooming with a long-lasting battery. It's designed for efficient and comfortable nail care, right in your home. What we like? This kit offers a quiet and low vibration experience for your pet. It also includes 2 LED lights to help you see the quick clearly. If you have a nervous pet or dark nails and are looking for a less stressful grooming session, this is a great choice. What people say. The nail clippers are sharp and cut through my dog's thick nails with ease. The safety guard prevents overcutting, which gives me peace of mind when trimming my dog's nails. The ergonomic design makes them comfortable to hold and use, even for extended periods. Number 3. VIWIK LED Dog Nail Trimmer and Grinder. Introducing the VIWIK Dog Nail Trimmers with light, designed for efficient and safe pet grooming. Keep your pet's nails healthy and trimmed with ease. Our advanced diamond grinder painlessly trims nails to the perfect length for pets of all sizes. It ensures a stress-free experience for both you and your furry friend. Featuring built-in LED lights, it clearly illuminates your pet's bloodline, preventing overgrinding and injuries. This makes nail trimming accurate and effortless. With 2 adjustable speeds and 3 grinding ports, it's perfect for pets of all sizes and nail hardness. Achieve professional grooming results at home. Enjoy a peaceful grooming session thanks to its super quiet operation, below 40 dB. The low vibration design ensures a smooth and stress-free experience for your pet. This cordless trimmer is portable and rechargeable via USB, offering up to 10 hours of use on a 4-hour charge. Groom your pet anytime, anywhere with convenience. It's the ideal gift for any dog lover, combining safety, efficiency, and convenience in one grooming tool. Give the gift of well-groomed paws. What we like? This grinder is designed for efficient and painless nail grooming. It features an LED light for precision and operates quietly to keep your pet calm. If you need a versatile tool for pets of all sizes and want a stress-free grooming experience, this is a must-have. What people say. The nail clippers are very sharp and cut through my dog's nails easily. The safety guard prevents accidental cuts, which is a great feature for peace of mind. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to control the clippers. Number 2. VIWIK 2-in-1 LED Dog Nail Trimmers and Comb. Achieve a professional groomer look from home with our 2-in-1 grooming kit. It includes nail clippers and a comb, making it a perfect gift for pet lovers. Illuminate your pet's nails with the built-in LED light for precise cuts. This ensures a stress-free grooming experience, though it may not work on very dark nails. This grooming tool features a versatile comb suitable for various pets. Its dual-spaced teeth effectively remove loose hair, tangles, and dirt for a smooth coat. Our nail clippers are designed for safe and precise trimming. The safety guard prevents overcutting, and the blade lock ensures it stays closed when not in use. Achieve a flawless finish with the integrated nail file on the handle. It's perfect for smoothing any sharp edges after trimming, ensuring your pet's comfort. What we like. This is a convenient 2-in-1 grooming tool that includes clippers and a comb. It has LED lights to illuminate the nail and a safety guard to prevent overcutting. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for grooming and want to ensure precise and safe trimming, this is a great option. What people say. The clippers are very sharp and cut through thick nails easily. The safety guard prevents accidental cutting of the quick. Comes with a nail file to smooth rough edges after clipping. Number 1. ONEISALL Professional Dog Grooming Kit. Introducing the ONEISALL Professional Dog Grooming Kit, your all-in-one solution for at-home pet grooming. Achieve salon-quality results without the hassle. Experience a stress-free grooming session with its ultra-quiet operation. This powerful tool ensures a comfortable experience for your furry friend. The built-in LED light illuminates the grooming area, allowing for precise trimming even in tricky spots. Get a clean and accurate cut every time. Enjoy the freedom of cordless grooming with its 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. It provides ample power for multiple grooming sessions on a single charge. Designed with safety in mind, it's perfect for grooming sensitive areas like paws, face, and ears. Keep your pet looking and feeling their best. From clipping fur to trimming nails, this kit handles it all. It's the ultimate tool for maintaining your dog's hygiene and appearance. What we like. This professional grooming kit is designed for at-home use. It combines quiet clippers and a nail grinder with an LED light for safety and precision. If you want a comprehensive grooming solution for your pet's paws, face, ears, and body, this all-in-one kit is ideal. What people say. The clippers are very sharp and cut through thick nails easily. The safety guard prevents accidental cutting of the quick. Comes with a nail file to smooth rough edges. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.